have been to Celebrities before. It's a great club. I haven't been since the renovations. I did a show here a long time ago with my old band. But excited to be here with the new Function 1. The club looks great. Stoked for tonight. I love it. You know, the air is better. It's a beautiful city. Lots of great people out here. And I love playing out here, actually. I mean, sometimes Vancouver gets the bad rap for being a boring city, I'm going to say it, but I don't feel that way. I've always had a great time out here and good shows, and there's great people out here.
And I want the world to know that Vancouver turned the fuck up tonight. And I also want anyone watching this video to know that you should follow your fucking dreams. Never let anything get in the way of you following your true passion. And you, yes, I'm looking at you, can personally do anything in life. That's what's up. Turn on.